Thank you very much for inviting us into your community. Today we're speaking also on something of Srimati Radharani. So it's related to Mayapur Dham. This is from Srila Vishwanath Chakrabarti Thakur with Swapna Vilash, or pastimes of sleeping. One time Radha and Krishna woke up and Radharani said, "My beloved Krishna, I had such an astonishing dream last night. And it was a beautiful place, all full of palm trees and flowers, and it's just like our Vrindavan. And there was rivers there, just like the Muna. But if that was, what was that? If these golden skinned people, they were dancing and raising their hands, and then dancing and chanting and falling down in ecstasy, just like we do when we have our kirtan. But who was that? If it was me, like what? She said, if it was you, then where was I? If it was I, where were you? Because we're never separated. It's a very mystery. Please explain this, Krishna. And Krishna began to smile. And Radharani said, yes, I can understand that person was you in a male form as Krishna, and you're trying as in your incarnation as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So I can also understand now how everyone has a personal relationship with you, yet you are one. Just like the sun rays. So many rays are coming from the sun. And they're all individual rays, and you can see through these rays, like the sun's rays, and you can see the personality that you worship, whether it's Krishna or Ramchandra or Bhamadeva. It's all coming from that one source, and you are the original form, and all the others are expansions from it. Everybody can have their relationship with you. So Krishna smiled and said she understood. And she saw that vision that she had in the dream, and she saw all the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with all the devotees doing Harinam Sankirtan. So just like it was in Vrindavan, they exhibited the same pastime in Navadvip. Gopis and Radha and Krishna expand into the gopis and Navadvip. So she's given us an insight how we can have a relationship with Krishna. Yeah, be unique in that relationship, coming from the same source, but each ray is different. Every ray is different. Jai Sri Radhika. It's also Lord Vamana Deva's appearance day today, Vamana Dvadasi, and Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur used to use this analogy, this example. That's right. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sri Navadvip, where the Lord appeared, the holy Dham, Navadvip descended from the spiritual realm, and then Krishna appeared. He is Krishna, he's none different from Radha Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They become Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Radha Krishna again. So, anyway, he explains he was from, in his biography about Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, that from the eastern direction he saw a Harinam Sankirtan party were coming towards him. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was leading it with Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita Srivastava. All the devotees were there, the 6 Goswamis were there, Gopishore Das Bhavati, his own guru was there. All the devotees were there, coming with Harinam Sankirtan. And they said, now you should give up your vrata. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur was performing a vrata, 3 lakhs of names every day for 10 years. And he just completed that vrata. So all the devotees told him, now you should give up this vrata. Shouldn't be so austere. Now it's time you should go out and preach. Just go out and preach, don't worry for everything. He said, who is behind us? That is, we are Krishna's devotees. Lord Vamana is an incarnation of Krishna. Lord Vamana. And that Vamana is a little boy, 5 years old, and he sticks his toe through the universe. If he can do that, a little boy of 5 years old, there's nothing he cannot do. So he used to tell his disciples, you go out and preach fearlessly, don't worry for anything, we are all behind you, the whole parampara behind you. And if you can do wonderful activities like piercing the universe with your toe, then what cannot you do? So don't worry about your preaching and about where this will come from, there will happen. Just go ahead and preach. You fix them and depend completely on Krishna. Jai Shri Vamana Dvadasi ki jai. One time Krishna was Krishna's Srimati Radharani, she had disappeared from Krishna, and Krishna was feeling so sad that Radharani had disappeared. And then he began to play his flute. And from created another dham, just like Mayapur dham, same. And then Radharani came and she saw that, oh, Krishna has made this beautiful dham called Navadvip. We call it New Vrindavan, Nava Vrindavan. So Radharani said, I will always come here, and this will be my place. And Radharani said, I will come every day, because you have created this dham now during your separation from me. And so I had to create a new dham here, with the name New Vrindavan. So this is another instance of the Dharma Manitas. So Navadip Dharma was created for Radharani, or by Radharani, for Krishna, and they perform their pastimes. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to give this love of Godhead, which is the ultimate goal of life, very remarkable one. Final goal of life is love of Godhead. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this specifically, he came to give the love that the inhabitants of Vrindavan have for Krishna. Krishna's mother and father, Jananivasa, Krishna's boyfriends, Krishna's relationship with Radharani and her girlfriends. So this is the love that the inhabitants of Vrindavan have for Krishna. That you can become friend of Krishna, mother of Krishna. There's nowhere else, no other religion in the world is dealing with this. The love that the inhabitants of Vrindavan have for Krishna. In the history of self-realization, nobody has ever come up with a more greater, anyway, nowhere in the history of self-realization and this type of love we found, and Krishna has come to give that love, and he's come to give it freely. Mahavanaya Krishna Prema Padaya Krishna Chaitanya Namani Gaura Krishna. So Mahaprabhu was come to give and give to others. Mahaprabhu's statement is that one should become convinced about Krishna consciousness. You should become convinced, and when you are convinced, you should take Krishna consciousness and give to others. This would be the best thing for you and the best thing for others. So this is the mission of Mayapur Chandradaya Mandir, Temple of the Vedic Planetarium. From this temple, that love will come. Adbhut Mandir Hoidi Vikash, Gauranga Nitya Seva Hoidi Vikash. An astonishing temple will appear in Mayapur. These are the words of Mahaprabhu given to Nityananda. An astonishing temple will appear here in Mayapur. And from that temple, Nitya Seva, Gauranga Nitya Seva, service to Gauranga will spread all over the world from this temple. So this is our project, especially Prabhupada's ISKCON, greatest perpetrators of Mahaprabhu's desire to spread this Yuga Dharma, chanting the holy names. So this is our service also to Mahaprabhu. We want to satisfy his desire. And we know his desire. Explain Srila Prabhupada and the previous acharyas. So this is a joyful process, Harinam Sankirtan. Everybody likes to dance and sing. So anybody can engage in service. And as a result, we will begin to experience the love that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is given. And by this way, the world will be happy. Otherwise, Nashtiva, Nashtiva, Nashtiva. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. In this age of Kali Yuga, and the chanting of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Tattva ki jai, Srimati Radharani ki jai, Lord Vamana Dev ki jai, Samaveda Bhakta Vrinda ki jai, Jai Go Premanandi, Hare Hare Go.